Happy evening, all of you. I am Professor Anand Kumar Das. Today I am going to discuss a very important topic related to financial management. Yes, financial management. This is for all commerce and management students all over the world, up to MBA, or even you can say even PhD students can take the help of this. Today I am going to talk about the two very important topic, the rule of 72. You might have heard about this, okay? And rule of 70. What is the rule of 72 and rule of 70? First of all, you will have to understand the basic of this. What is rule of 72? Say for example, I have given one example here. If you have rupees 1 lakh rupees with you and you have deposited this amount in any bank at the rate of 8% interest compounded annually, and you want to know how long it will take the amount to double, means you are looking for how many years it will take that particular amount 1 lakh rupees to double. Very simple. Okay, so this question is very simple, that is under the rule of 72, and there are some formula. Exact formula is 69.3 something, but it's a round figure, the rule of 72. It's a very popular rule, and rule of 70 is also very popular rule. So one by one, don't try to read on the board, okay? Otherwise you will be very confused what exactly I have written here. So go by what I am telling you all, what I am explaining exactly, and try to understand what exactly is the rule of 72, and pause your video first of all, and then try to think, have you heard anywhere or have you gone through all these formulas if you are studying presently in MBA courses, BBA courses, or any commerce and management courses, IA, ICOM, MCOM, anywhere. Have you seen all these things? All any rule as such in any books? No need to be worried. Very simple. No need to be worried. Okay. These rules, it's not very specifically has been given in any book, but if you will search on Google, if you will search on Wikipedia, you will get the details about all these things. But I will make you all very clear that these are the very simple rule which you are supposed to understand. Okay. Rule of 72. Rule of 72, as I said, if you want to know how long it will take that particular amount to double, means in how many years your particular amount will be double in a particular bank, and that is the formula for this. Very easy, even faster than computer you can calculate. Say for example, I have given, you have deposited rupees 1 lakh in any bank, 8% interest compounded annually, then how long it will take to double that particular amount? The formula is very simple, 72 divided by R. R means compound rate of interest. It's not simple rate of interest. There is a big difference between compound rate of interest and simple rate of interest. What is the compound rate of interest? As you know very well, compound rate of interest means, say for example, you have deposited in any bank 100 rupees at the rate of 8% interest annually. It means after 1 year it will be 108 rupees. Okay, clear? 100 into 8%, 108 rupees. And in the second year it will be 108 into again 8%. Like this it will be added. So compounded annually. So second year it will be 108 into 8%. So whatever will be the final amount, that will be in second year you will get. But in simple interest you are not adding, means you are not getting annually. Very simple. It's simple interest, PTR, principal time rate of interest upon 100. That is simple interest. But it is here A equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 into N. If it is semi-annually, quarterly, or monthly, or 365 days, then it will be here multiplied by T. Very simple, time period. Okay, number of times compounded annually. But for this question, very simple. So here it is 72 divided by 8%. So it's a 9 years. So if you have deposited 1 lakh rupees in any bank, it will take only 9 years for that particular amount to get it double. Even faster than computer you can calculate. You can visit any bank. As of now, bank is giving only 8%. Most of the bank is giving 8%. Okay, so you can calculate very easily. It's a 9 years it will take. What is the difference? Simple rate of interest and compound rate of interest. Compound rate of interest it is getting added every year. Okay, that particular interest. But in the simple interest, it's not getting added. Very simple. Got it? Now comes rule of 72. Rule of 72 you can apply for inflation growth. Say for example, at present India inflation growth is 7%. Means what is inflation? First of all, inflation means price rise in any commodity. Very simple. Price rise in a country, very simple, of any commodity, due to which what happens? Our export decreases. Always remember, say for example, if this particular marker is costing 100 rupees and inflation rate is 7%, it means this will cost now 107, means 107 rupees. If I will export this, means country will export this, the country will have to export this in 107 rupees. Means if America is buying, the America will have to pay 107 rupees. If China is doing the manufacturing of this particular marker and Pakistan is also doing, and they are selling it for 100 rupees, 105 and 104, definitely America will go to China and Pakistan. No, they will not come to India. This is the biggest disadvantage of inflation. At present, inflation growth in India is 7%. Okay, population growth in India 2% per annum. This is 7% per annum inflation. And GDP growth in India, it is assumed that this year, by the end of the December, it will be 10%. Now, how it is being calculated, that you are supposed to know. Okay, rule of 72. This is G. This is not R like this. No, this is R, that is compound interest. This is G, that is normal growth rate. And how normal growth rate is being calculated? Very simple formula: present into past upon past into 100. This is the formula. Very simple. Present into past. Say for example, this marker costing me as of now, a pack of markers, say for example 600 rupees, and last year it was 500 rupees. So what will happen? 600, that is present price, past 500 rupees, 600 minus 500 upon 500 multiply by 100. So you will get the percentage, that is G. So inflation rate, what will happen if you have deposited, say for example, this amount rupees 1 lakh in your bank, and due to this 7% inflation, what will happen? You know, 70 by 7%. 10 years. Within 10 years, your money, if inflation will continue, your money will be half. Yes, this is the biggest disadvantage of inflation. That's why every country, each and every country tries to curb, suppress inflation between 2 to 3%, that is creeping inflation. There are 4 types of inflation basically. In the next video, I will tell you all what are the types of inflation and what are the countries who are taking care of this. In India, inflation rate is always between 6 to 10%, only because of this GDP part and population growth part, because population is increasing every year 2%. Now, if you have deposited in any bank 1 lakh rupees, what will happen? Your money will be half within 10 years. If this will continue, your inflation rate 7% will continue like that only. Okay, population growth 2%. Now 70 upon 2. Our population after 35 years, it will be double. Yes, if it is increasing, it means our population, India population, will be double in 35 years. 70 by 2%. Very simple. Growth rate, normal growth rate is 2% per annum. And GDP growth, again, India GDP 70 by 10%. If we assume that this is 10%, what will happen? 7 years. India GDP, if GDP growth rate will continue like this, our GDP will be double in 7 years. This is the very simple formula for calculating under rule of 72 inflation growth, population growth and GDP growth. This is the actuals for our country, India. Okay, you can calculate this for any country in the entire world. And this is the rule of 72. If you have amount 1 lakh rupees, 10 lakhs rupees, 50 lakhs rupees, whatever, you approach any bank, try to know what are the percentage they are giving compounded annually, divided by rule, simple 72 by that particular compound interest rate, you will get how long it will take to double that particular amount. So this is all about rule of 72 and rule of 70. If you think I have given you certain basic thing which is logical, so definitely subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and share my channel, and share it with your all family, friends, everyone, so that they should also know the very simple quick formula for getting all these things, rule of 72 or rule of 70. Thank you so much. May God bless you. The happy beginning.